Hey, hello, historians. Mr. Spalding here. So it's the end of the year, and this has been an amazing year. First off, I want to compliment you all. I've been really impressed with the thoroughness and thoughtfulness of much of your work. You did book reviews that no other class did. You used research materials. You interacted with the text materials and with historical information. You guys are amazing. I say that to you as classes, but I know I've given you each individual feedback about how much I've appreciated the hard work you've done. For some of you, this has been an extremely difficult time and you haven't done very much work. That's okay. No judgment here. This has been really challenging. And if you haven't been able to do the work, or if you've been focused on other things, taking care of yourself, taking care of your family, that's your number one job. So school is great. I think it's important, but the number one job is to take care of yourself and take care of those around you. So moving ahead, we've finished the year. I'll be marking papers and things you turned in today and finalizing grades and comments on Monday. So if you have anything to turn it in today or certainly by noon on Monday. And it's been great working with you. Now, maybe this summer you want to go to school. Not going to happen. Maybe you want to watch baseball. That might not happen either. Maybe you want to be a football fan. Okay. It's not American football. Soccer, we call it here. How about this? Maybe you just want to hang out with your friends. But likely, some of you want to go to the beach or on some kind of exotic vacation. Most likely, you're going to be doing something like this. Okay, maybe not that serious. Maybe more like something like this. So please wear the mask this summer. Be safe. And remember how we started the year. I challenged you to furnish your mind, transform your mind, extend yourself, challenge yourself, and most importantly, to love others. Folks, you have furnished your minds. You've learned a lot. And I know from what you write that many of you have transformed your minds. You've learned new ways of thinking, new ways of looking at the world. Each one of you, by taking a high honors class, extended yourself, challenged yourself. The last challenge that I offered you in the beginning of the year, to love others, is the most important. And that doesn't depend on the other things. The other things can help you, but loving others, you can do that without anything else. All you need is a desire to care for those around you. I started the year and said that no matter what you do, even if you give up your life, it doesn't matter if you don't have love. And I would encourage you this summer to focus on loving each other, loving others. It's been great working with you. I don't know what next year is going to look like. And we may see each other virtually for another 6 to 12 months. Or we may see each other intermittently in person. I don't know. Nobody knows. But no matter what, I wish you well. I challenge you to love each other and to love others. Have a good summer.